Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi. Excuse me, are you also looking for books in the fiction section?
Hi. Yes, I am. I'm trying to find something new to read.
Me too. There are so many choices. By the way, I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Ryan. Do you come to this bookstore often?
Yes, I come here almost every weekend. It's my favorite spot to relax. What about you?
This is my first time here. A friend recommended this place, and I really like it.
It's a great bookstore. They have a lot of good books, and even a small cafe upstairs.
That sounds perfect. So, what kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading fiction, especially adventure, and mystery novels. How about you?
I like science fiction and biographies. It's fun to imagine the future and also learn about real people's lives.
That's a nice mix. Are you reading anything interesting right now?
Yes, I'm reading a biography about a famous astronaut. It's really inspiring. What about you?
I just finished a mystery novel called The Silent Witness. It was so exciting. I couldn't put it down.
That sounds interesting. Maybe I'll check it out. Do you read a lot?
I try to read every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes. It helps me relax. How about you?
I usually read in the evenings before bed. It's a nice way to end the day.
I agree. By the way, have you tried any of the book clubs here?
No, I didn't know they have book clubs. Do you join them?
Sometimes. They meet once a month to discuss a book. It's a fun way to meet people and share ideas.
That sounds great. Maybe I'll join one next time.
You should. Oh, I think I just found the book I was looking for.
Nice. What's it called?
It's called The Hidden Forest. I've heard great reviews about it.
That sounds good. I'll keep looking for mine. Maybe I'll grab some coffee upstairs afterward.
Good idea. The cafe here is really cozy.
Thanks for the tip, Emily. It's nice meeting another book lover.
Same here, Ryan. Good luck finding your book.
So, Emily, do you usually spend your weekends reading?
Sometimes, but not always. Last weekend, I went to the park with some friends. It was such a nice day.
That sounds lovely. Did you have a picnic?
Yes, we brought sandwiches, fruit, and snacks. We also played frisbee, which was a lot of fun. What about you? How was your weekend?
It was pretty relaxing. I stayed home and watched a few movies.
That's a great way to unwind. What did you watch?
I watched The Martian. It's a mix of science fiction and adventure. Have you seen it?
Yes, I loved it. The story was so intense, and Matt Damon was amazing.
Totally. It made me think about how difficult life on another planet would be.
Absolutely. So, do you usually watch movies on weekends?
Sometimes, but I also like going for long walks or visiting the local market.
Oh, I love visiting markets. Did you go to one last weekend?
Yes, I went on Sunday. I bought some fresh vegetables and flowers for my apartment.
That's so nice. I love having fresh flowers at home. They make everything feel so bright.
They really do. Do you ever go to the farmer's market?
Yes, I go when I can. I like buying fresh fruits and homemade bread there.
Sounds delicious. Do you cook a lot?
Not really, but I try to cook at least one proper meal on the weekends.
Same here. I'm not a great cook, but I enjoy trying new recipes.
Me too. Last weekend, I tried making pancakes for the first time.
How did they turn out?
Surprisingly good. I added some blueberries, and they were delicious.
That's awesome. Maybe I'll try making pancakes next weekend.
You should. They're easier than they look.
So, besides cooking and reading, what else do you like to do on weekends?
I enjoy going to the beach when the weather is nice. It's so relaxing to sit by the water.
That sounds amazing. I haven't been to the beach in a while.
You should go. It's a great way to recharge.
I will. Maybe next weekend if the weather is good.
That's a perfect plan. Weekends are the best time to do things we enjoy.
I agree. It's nice to have a break after a busy week.
So, Ryan, what's your favorite season?
I think it's summer. I love the warm weather and spending time outdoors. What about you?
I like spring. The flowers are blooming, and it's not too hot or too cold. It's just perfect.
That's true. Spring is beautiful, especially when the trees start turning green again. Do you have any favorite activities in spring?
Yes, I enjoy walking in the park and taking photos of the flowers. Sometimes I also plant herbs on my balcony.
That sounds peaceful. What kind of herbs do you grow?
Basil, mint, and rosemary. I use them for cooking.
That's so practical. I might try that. In summer, I like going to the beach. Do you enjoy the beach?
I love it. The sound of the waves is so relaxing. Do you swim a lot?
Not really. I mostly enjoy walking along the shore or playing beach volleyball with friends.
That sounds fun. Do you ever go hiking in the summer?
Yes, I do. There's a trail near my house that has amazing views. Have you been hiking before?
A few times. I enjoy it, but I prefer shorter hikes.
Makes sense. What about winter? Do you like it?
I like it for a while, but it gets too cold for me. What about you?
I actually enjoy winter. I love the snow and activities like building snowmen or going sledding.
That's nice. I haven't gone sledding in years.
You should try it again. It's so much fun. Do you like drinking hot chocolate in the winter?
Oh, I love it. I always add marshmallows on top. What about you?
Same here. It's the perfect drink on a cold day.
Do you travel during the winter holidays?
Sometimes. I usually visit my family or go to a ski resort. Have you ever tried skiing?
No, I'm too scared. I feel like I'd fall a lot.
Falling is part of the fun. You should try it someday.
Maybe I will. What about autumn? Do you like it?
Yes, I love the cool weather and the colorful leaves. It's a great time for photography.
Agreed. I also love autumn because of Halloween.
Oh, Halloween is the best. Do you dress up?
Yes. Last year, I dressed as a witch. What about you?
I dressed as a pirate. It was so much fun.
That's awesome. Every season has something special to enjoy.
Definitely. It's great to have different activities to look forward to throughout the year. Well, Emily, it's been really nice talking to you. I didn't expect to have such an interesting conversation about seasons and activities.
Same here, Ryan. I enjoyed hearing about your hiking and summer adventures.
Thanks. By the way, I heard there's a book club meeting here next week. Are you interested in joining?
That sounds great. What book are they discussing?
I think it's The Secret Garden. Have you read it?
Yes, it's a beautiful story. I'd love to join the meeting.
Perfect. The meeting is on Thursday at 6 p.m. Maybe we can grab coffee before it starts.
That's a great idea. Let's meet at the cafe upstairs around 5:30.
Sounds like a plan. I'll save us a table.
Thanks, Ryan. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I should get going now. Good luck with your weekend plans.
Thanks. Enjoy your hikes and beach days. See you next Thursday.
See you. Take care, Emily.
You too. Bye.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.